CCTV.
Hatu pidon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel dan hagi restoran ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong yang katong kejongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
UMLA ka BJP uba Elekshon ulai thu bekidan haduk khandai Ngut ki bapan tiket na ka BJP na ka Bynta banya kun hakani ke Elekshon Shiteng Samoi jong ka MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Uba hek ulo ong ruba haduk menta ka BJP kampat la ban shim raya nu ban ai bat shen hakini ki sngi ki banwan ken sa shong jialang ban perkhat na ka Bynta ka ni ka kam.
We have 9 contenders who has already applied for tickets, so we have not zeroed down. So we'll be sitting in maybe next week sometime. So we have to decide now because the time is running short. We have to decide now who will be our BJP by-election candidate for the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency for this by-election. So definitely we are going to decide very soon. See, anybody can apply. Once he will join the BJP, definitely we should welcome him to the BJP, and we the party will see who will be the fittest candidate for the for winnable candidate for the BJP.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamar yang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry pim day pat banthe shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry minta ka ruko neka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kane ko umpnyang syaka biodiesel tinamar kata lemba ka ruko kakot kakya par kamaryang rukan umktasyo.